Are you tired of getting nowhere with your mobile app development? Have you spent a lot of time and money customizing your software but to no avail? Ropstam Solutions is the answer you need. Ropstam Solutions is where you find customer-driven digitization and scalability with each project, which gives us a unique edge. We like to bring ideas to expression with our experience and expertise. It makes us one of the global leading software development organizations with a dedicated team of professionals. With more than 1,500 successful projects and more than 500 active clients, we enable businesses to become competitive with the power of digital innovation, outstanding design, and emerging technologies. Our services include mobile and web application development, custom software development, UI/UX designing, website building from scratch, WordPress, Shopify, blockchain, and even world-changing trends such as Web 3.0 and Metaverse. We like to be at the top of the modern tech trends and evolve with each passing day. Contact us and see your dreams come to life, because Ropstam is where digital innovation meets excellence.